Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an interesting service from Microsoft Azure, which is the Azure AI Translator service. So in this video, we will be exploring the Azure AI Translator service for the AI 900 Lab series. Let's discuss what is this Azure AI Translator service. This Azure AI Translator service supports text-to-text translation capabilities. So in this hands-on lab series, we'll explore the capabilities of translator service with respect to the Microsoft Azure platform. Let's get started. So first, we have to search for the service translator. Let me search it. Now the translator service is getting loaded. Now hit the create translator button. After you hit the create translator button, you have to choose the subscription, then you need to provide the resource group. Let me create a new resource group, test RG. Then afterwards, we need to give the region, the translator service where you are going to deploy it. Let me deploy to East US. Then we need to provide the translator service name. I'm giving us a retail translator. Then we have to choose a pricing tier. Let me choose the pricing tier as standard pricing tier. This particular service name is already there. What I will write, retail translator service. Then once it is done, you can finally hit the button review plus create. So once the validation is successfully completed, the create button will be enabled. This will take hardly 2 minutes of time for the deployment. Let's start deploying this translator service. Now you can see submitting deployment. This will hardly take 2 minutes to have a completion of the translator service deployment. Once it is successfully completed, you will be getting the option as now as of now it is a deployment in progress. You can see the deployment succeeded. Once the deployment is completed, just go to the resource. Here, by default, the source language will be auto-detected. Example, I'm giving welcome to the Azure AI fundamentals. So this is in English language, which is by default, it is auto detected. And then in the destination language, you can choose any of the language. Here I have chosen the language Spanish as a language. Now this welcome to Azure AI fundamentals. It is now converted into a Spanish language as well. And also you can observe in the view request, it is a text in English. And if you notice in the view response, the detected language is English and the translated language was your Spanish. So now we have successfully completed this Azure AI Translator service. It is always good. You once the resources you completed successfully, you can delete the resource group. So let me delete the resource group, which is test RG. I'm going to delete it. Click the button test RG, then delete the test RG. So I'm going to delete this resource group. Let me type it as test RG, then delete. Because the resource is not in use, you can directly delete the resource group, which means whatever the resources associated with the test RG resource group will be deleted. Okay. And you can also notice deleting resource group, the test RG on the notification tab. So for such type of the latest technology content related video as well as internship opportunities, your career opportunities, then free certification opportunities, you can check out my YouTube handle. My YouTube handle is Start with Jenna. So Start with Jenna is my YouTube handle. You can always refer the latest technology updates, your internship opportunities, free certification opportunities, the hackathon opportunities. So those related information will be available as part of my YouTube channel. And this is my YouTube channel handle. My YouTube channel handle is Start with Jenna. And you can see I have curated a playlist which contains the various titles like hackathon updates, your latest trending technology updates, internship updates, scholarship update, free certification opportunities. You can share this information to your friends, colleagues, neighbors, and they will also get benefited from this playlist. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.